Greetings. In this video, I want to help you troubleshoot a Samsung Smart TV remote no longer connecting to the TV. It won't pair. Now, it doesn't matter what version that you have. If you have a Crystal Samsung, it doesn't matter. This particular remote is the B as in boy, N as in Nancy 59-01315J, but these methods should work with the majority of Samsung TVs. So the first thing is the obvious, is to make sure that the batteries are not bad in your remote. If it's been, a year or even several months, go ahead and switch out the batteries. This particular remote on this Samsung uses the AAA, and go ahead and switch those out. That could easily be the issue. Next thing I want you to do is to make sure that there's nothing obstructing the sensor that's on the TV. And usually on the Samsungs, it's going to be on the left. So as you can see here, I have a Nintendo Switch that may be blocking it to where I cannot connect. I want you to take the remote and actually get up really close to the TV and see if you're able to get it work. It might be that you're just too far away from the TV. Now, the next thing I want you to do is to pair the remote to the Samsung. Even if it's already been paired, you want to do it again. This is for old or new remotes. And the concept's pretty much the same with all the Samsung remotes, but I want you to hold down on this particular one, hold down the return key, which is right here, return and guide. And I want you to get up really close to the TV, hold the return and guide, and point it directly at the sensor for at least 5 seconds. If it pairs and connects, then the TV will let you know. It'll actually have an indicator. Some Samsung remotes, it's the return and the play pause button. Now, this one doesn't have that. It just has play. But you would hold down the return, play, pause button while you're pointing it directly at the TV for 5 seconds, and then it should indicate whether it's connected or not. And then try that out. It is a possibility that your remote's broken. So what I want to do is I want to put a link in the comment section on Amazon where you can buy a remote, and go ahead and get that replaced, and then see if you're able to get connected. All right, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.